In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Apple gift card. Whether you're treating yourself or sending a thoughtful gift, the process is quick, secure, and entirely online through Apple's official store. First, head to Apple's gift cards page. You can go directly to apple.com/ph/shop/gift-cards, or simply open the Apple Store website and look for the gift cards section in the navigation. Make sure you're on the official Apple site and that the region at the top of the page matches where the gift card will be used, since availability, currency, and delivery options can vary by country. Next, choose the type of gift card you want. You'll see two main options: a digital gift card, which is delivered by email, and a physical gift card, which is mailed to a street address. Digital cards are great for instant or last-minute gifts, while physical cards are ideal if you want something tangible to hand over. Keep in mind that shipping times apply for physical cards, and digital cards typically arrive within minutes to a few hours, though in some cases they may take up to a day. Now select the amount. You can pick from preset values or enter a custom amount if that's offered in your region. Think about what the recipient might want to buy: apps, subscriptions, accessories, or even part of a bigger purchase, and choose accordingly. If you're gifting it, you can add a short personal message. This is optional, but it's a nice touch for birthdays, holidays, or thank you notes. For digital cards, double-check the recipient's email address very carefully, since that determines where the card is delivered. For physical cards, confirm the mailing address and any delivery details. When you're ready, click Add to Bag or whatever similar button appears. Before you check out, review your bag to ensure the type, amount, and recipient details are correct. It's much easier to fix typos now than after purchase. Proceed to checkout to complete the purchase. You'll be prompted to enter your payment information, and in some regions you may be asked to sign in to your Apple account. Follow the on-screen instructions, confirm your order, and submit. You'll receive an order confirmation by email. For digital cards, the recipient will get an email from Apple with the gift card and instructions to redeem it. If you don't see the email, check the spam or promotions folder. That's it. Simple, secure, and fast. Enjoy gifting, and always keep gift card details private to prevent misuse.